Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'm going to teach you how to use this Shower Miser water saving system. So the point of this system is to save water when you're dry camping or camping without a sewer hookup, and you want to use as little water as possible to take a shower. So when the Shower Miser is on, it recirculates the water. So the water doesn't come out of the shower head, it recirculates back into the fresh water tank while the water is warming up. So that way, as soon as you turn on the shower, you've got hot water ready to go and you haven't wasted any water or added any water to the gray tank in the meantime. So let's see how it works. So how it works is first you just simply turn the switch, and then I'm going to turn the hot water on. And you see no water is coming out because it's recirculating. And so I'm going to know that the water is hot when this right here starts to turn white. And so you can see it's starting to lighten up a little. We're just going to give it another minute, and the water is recirculating the whole time. All right, now that's pretty much white throughout, so I can simply then turn this knob back the other way, and I have nice hot water immediately, so I can take a shower wasting as little water as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.